Okay, now how to install, how to activate the full screen on this macOS share on VMware. Just go to download the script. That is in VMware tools. You can find it in VMware tools. This one. Okay. Now install. Nothing to. Now you put enter your username password. It's okay. Now next. It's almost complete. This video, the resolution is very low. Clarity is not so good because my own internal, issues. Anyway, you know which one to download anyway. Now here it is, Apple sign. Now your system will become now transforming into a Mac system. This is the great. This is awesome actually. The tools like VMware. Virtualization is the one that made this thing possible to convert your Windows system into Mac system. Now you can enjoy a full Mac system on VMware. Enter your password. Here you go. You are now to make it full screen. There are a few more things you need to do. You have to edit this script, the VMX script. Source. Here you go. This is complete. Now there's an admin